21 seconds left. No timeouts left. Quarterback sneak. Tick, 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 tick. It's stopped. But with 3 seconds to go, first he spiked the ball. Then Pete Carroll called the timeout. Get the defense set. It didn't get set. Okay, this Cam Cleveland, this rookie, had a big game again. Werfel to Cleveland, touchdown, 17-14 now. First drive of the third quarter. Oh, Henry Thomas looking like Dwayne Thomas with the spin, the bull, and the touchdown. 24-yard pick. Patriots lead by 10, 24-14. Fourth quarter. Punt to Troy Brown and his band of renown. Now watch Rob Kelly right there, and watch number 25 of the Patriots, Larry Wiggum. Boom! Right there. But behind the play, Mark Royals, the punter, is hurt, and Wiggum involved in both of these hits.
Well, this is a credit to Wiggum's hustle. He is the one right there almost blocking that punt and then rolling up on the punter. He was also the one, obviously, who got the big hit on Rob Kelly.
Big play of the game. Tom Tupa will punt. Andre Hastings let it go. Number 1 pick to Bucky Jones. Nice job of keeping it at Wiggum, but they never blow the whistle. It's still a live ball. And credit the Saints' Andre Hastings for knowing it. No hand was on him when he was down, and he's off to the races. Only Tupa, way downfield, saves a touchdown. This is an odd play, but we looked at all the rules. Jones makes the play, Tom. Now here's Wiggum, but he throws the ball in until he catches it, stops it, ref blows the whistle, still live. Now, Wiggum puts his hand on this man's shoulder, but the ball is already in Hastings' hand.
And that's why the coverage team, to be safe, has to take the ball. You pick it up as you down it and hand it to the referee. You know it's down.
This is Royals, the injured punter, on to hold for Doug Bryant, the tying field goal. A minute 30 to go, 36 yards as a result of that odd play, and we're tied at 27. Minute 9 left in regulation. Adam Vinatieri, will he have a chance to win it? An early completion by Drew Bledsoe. Then Bledsoe to Ben Winter, Coates for 9. Bledsoe to Vincent Ultimate Brisby inside the 20. Couple of runs, a kneel, a 27-yard field goal. Good. And the Saints, well, hey, it took October to give the Saints a loss. Give Mike Ditka's club the nod. They battle back. But the Patriots go down to win on the field where they lost their 2 Super Bowls, one against that coach, Mike Ditka. Patriots 30, Saints 27.